Entrepreneur. Okay, so entrepreneur. So these days farmers are entrepreneurs, Yeah, they start their own businesses. Say, ish, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. It's like, yeah, everything is evolving due to technology. Ne? So, yeah, nowadays farmers are also entrepreneurs. So, nowadays, the requirement for you to be a competitive farmer, ne? The farmer that can make um, or can run a successful business, I get, or successful farm, you need to know accounting, you need to know about business, you need to know about farming. Yeah, I know you already know about farming because you are doing agricultural science, but you need to know about accounting, I get. You need to know about the laws, I get, commercial law. Hey, it is busy. Yeah, hey, it is complicated nowadays due to advanced technology. Ne? Yeah, but yeah, let's move on. Entrepreneur. Farmers are entrepreneurs nowadays. Nowadays, farmers are entrepreneurs. So, entrepreneur is a person who identifies a business opportunity and takes a risk and starts a business in order to make a profit. I get. This is an opportunity. Oh, this is a business opportunity of selling what? Of selling potato bread. Okay, let's do this. I'm taking a risk. I'm taking all of my savings. 10,000. Oh, capital. I invest. I get. Then I invest in my new business. I start this business. And in my mind, I say, okay, with this idea, I should be able to make a profit. That's what drives me. Profit. Entrepreneurship is a process. This is a process, I get. So it is a process, it's the process of bringing the necessary resources together, I get, together, and use them to start a business and make a profit. I get.